application of LCM in time and work. Application of LCM in time and work. Work is always constant. Work is always a constant. Constant is nothing but a fixed numerical value. Constant is nothing but a fixed numerical value. Work is always considered to be a constant. So it is, we can take any numerical value that comes into the mind, in our mind, but we will take the LCM of the given values to get the answer. Now, concept of LCM. Once you are very comfortable in LCM, we can solve a lot of these problems very, very easily. Concept of LCM. Model number 1. Total there are 5 to 6 models are there. We will discuss one by one. Model number 1. LCM of 6, 18. LCM of 6, 18. Step number 1. Take the largest number. Largest number is 18. Is this the largest number a multiple of every other number? 6. 18 is 6 into 3. Yes. If the largest number is a multiple of every other number, then the answer is nothing but the largest number. For example, 3 more examples. 12, 15, 60. 12, 15, 60. Take the largest number. Largest number 60. Is 60 a multiple of every other number? Or every other number, does it divide the largest number? Or in other words, every other number, is it a factor of the largest number? Every other number, check it out if it is a factor of the largest number, or check it out whether the largest number is a multiple of all the other numbers. 12 is a factor of 60, 15 is a factor of 60. Answer is 60. One few more examples. 9, 12. 9, 12, 36. Largest number only. We want multiple. Multiple is definitely greater than the or equivalent to the factor. Take the largest number, 36. Is 36 divisible by 9? Yes. Is 36 divisible by 12? Yes. So answer is 36. One more example. LCM of 25, 50, 100. Largest number, 100. Is 100 a multiple of every other number? Yes. So answer is 100. I hope the idea it is clear. Model number 1 in LCM is largest number. Largest number is a multiple of every other number. Write down in the same order, sir. Multiple of every other number. If the largest number is a multiple of every other number, then the largest number is the LCM. Model number 1. You will understand after 15 minutes why am I doing model by model. Once you are comfortable in this approach, then you can solve a lot of problems. Model number 2 in LCM. Model number 2. Again few examples. LCM of 9, 12. LCM of 9, 12. Now listen carefully. What is the largest number? 12. Is 12 a multiple of 9? No. So in this case, largest number is not a multiple of number. Take the multiples of the largest number. 12 2s are 24. Is 24 a multiple of 9? No. Next multiple, 36. Is 36 a multiple of 9? Yes. So if the largest number is not a multiple of other numbers, take the multiples of the largest number. Answer is 36. For example, LCM of 12, 15, 20. 12, 15, 20. Largest number 20. Is 20 a multiple of 12? No. Take the next multiple of 20, 40. Does 40 is a multiple of 15 or 12? No. Next one, 60. 60 is 12 into 5. 60 is 15 into 4. So the largest number, it is nothing but 60. I hope it is clear. If the largest number is a multiple of every other number, then the largest number will be the answer. If the largest number is not a multiple of every other number, take the multiples of the largest number. take the multiples of the largest number. These fundamentals is extremely important. Once you understand all the models, time, speed and distance, time and work will be very, very easy for you. LCM of 15, 25 and 50. LCM of 15, 25 and 50. Largest number 50. Is 50 divisible by 15? No. Next multiple 100. Is 100 divisible by 15? No. 150. Is 150 divisible by 15? Yes. 15 into 6. Is 150 divisible by 25? Yes. So the answer is 150. Largest number multiple should be divisible by every other number. Every other number, not only one number. For example, LCM of 20, 30, 20, 30 and 50. LCM of 20, 30, 50. Largest number 50. 50 is not divisible by 20 or 30. Multiple 100. 100 is not divisible by 30. Next one 150. 150 is divisible by 30 but not by 20. It should be divisible by every other number. 200. 200 is divisible by 20 but not by 30. So 54s are 55s are 54s are 55s are 250. Not possible. 300. 300 is divisible by 20, 300 is divisible by 30. If you see the process is becoming little cumbersome, it is taking little more time. That is the reason model number 3 came into picture. Answer is 300. Largest number is a multiple of every other number. Largest number is not a multiple of every other number. So, model number 2. Slowly from basics we will get into the high level. Model number 3. Model number 3. Model number 3. All the numbers are co-prime numbers. All the numbers are co-prime to each other. All the numbers are co-prime to each other. All the numbers are co-prime to each other. Two numbers are said to be co-primes. A and B are said to be co-primes if their HCF is 1. Two numbers are said to be co-primes if their HCF is 1. Two numbers are said to be co-primes if their HCF is 1. Consecutive natural numbers. Consecutive natural numbers. They are all co-primes. 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12. Consecutive natural numbers. They are all co-primes. Consecutive odd numbers. Consecutive odd numbers. They are also co-prime to each other. They are also co-prime to each other. Basic Pythagorean triplets. Basic Pythagorean triplets. Basic Pythagorean triplets. They are also co-prime to each other. What are basic Pythagorean triplets? 3, 4, 5. It is a basic Pythagorean triplet. Because all the numbers HCF, it is nothing but 1. 5, 12, 13. 13 square equivalent to 5 square plus 12 square. Basic Pythagorean triplets. 7, 24, 25. 25 square is equivalent to 7 square plus 24 square. Right? 6, 8, 10. 6, 8, 10, it is nothing but 2 into 3, 4, 5. So, these are derived triplet from 3, 4, 5. Derived triplets are not co-prime to each other. Derived triplets are not co-prime to each other. 10, 24, 26. It is 2 into 5, 12, 13. It is also a derived triplet. These are all basic Pythagorean triplets. A, B, C. A, B, C. Basic Pythagorean triplets satisfy two conditions. A, B, C are co-prime to each other and C square equivalent to A square plus B square. Then A, B, C are said to be basic Pythagorean triplets. They are said to be basic Pythagorean triplets. Two numbers are said to be co-primes if their HCF is 1. mathematical terminology. Otherwise, if they have only one factor common and the factor is 1, then the two numbers are said to be co-prime to each other. These are all examples of derived triplets. These are all examples of derived triplets. So if all the numbers are co-primes, please write down an idea. Write extremely important class are fundamentals. LCM of co-prime numbers. LCM of co-prime numbers is always their product. LCM of co-prime numbers, it is always their product. If the given numbers are co-prime to each other, LCM is always their product. LCM of 5 comma 7. 5 and 7 are consecutive odd numbers which are co-primes. LCM is always their product. So it is 35. LCM of 8 and 9, 8 and 9. 8 and 9, they are also consecutive, so they are co-prime. 8 into 9, which is nothing but 72. LCM of 12 comma 25. 12 comma 25. 12 factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. 25 factors are 1, 5 and 25. What is the factor that is common? 1. Two numbers are said to be co-prime if they have only one factor common, that is 1. If they have only one factor common, that is 1, then the numbers are said to be co-prime. LCM of co-primes is their product. 12 into 25, it is 300. LCM of, for example, 12 and 13, 12, 13 and 17, 12, 13 and 17. These are nothing but 17 is 1 into 17, 1 into 13. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. All the numbers have got only one factor common. So these are all co-prime. 12 into 13 into 14. 12 into 13 into 14. LCM of co-prime numbers is always their product. LCM of co-prime numbers, it is always their product. I hope the idea it is clear. Method model number 4. Consecutive natural numbers, LCM is product. Consecutive odd numbers, LCM is product. Basic Pythagorean triplets, it is perfect. Now the reason why I took one more example also I will take. LCM of 5 comma 8, it is 5 into 8, 40. 5 into 8, 40. See here 5 and 8 are co-primes. 5 and 8 are co-primes. 5 and 8 are co-primes. So one number is a prime number, another number is a composite number. One number is a prime number, another is also a prime number. One number is a composite number, another number is also a composite number. For two numbers to be co-primes, both the numbers may be composite, both the numbers may be prime, one will be prime and another will be composite. So for two numbers to be co-prime, it is not mandatory that all of them should be prime numbers. Prime numbers and co-prime numbers are completely independent of each other. Two prime number set, it is a co-prime set. Two composite number with one factor common, only one factor common, that is also a co-prime set. One prime, one composite, that is also a co-prime set. LCM of co-prime numbers is always their product. Now model number 4. Model number 4. Model number 4. What if the numbers are not co-prime? What if the numbers are not co-prime? What if the numbers are not co-prime? Listen carefully. What if the numbers are not co-prime? For example, LCM of 15 comma 20. 15 and 20, they have a factor common, that is 5. So these are nothing but 5 into 3 and 5 into 4. Take the factor common out. These are nothing but 5 of LCM of 3 comma 4. 3 and 4 are consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers, LCM, it is always the product. Answer is 60. Answer is 60. I hope the idea it is clear. Go through the same structure. Next one. LCM of 20 comma 25. 20 it is 5 into 4. 25 it is 5 into 5. Take the factor common out. 5 of LCM of 4 and 5. LCM of the prime numbers, co-prime numbers, it is always their product. Answer is 100. Next one. LCM of 12, 18, 30. LCM of 12, 18 and 30. 6 into 2, 6 into 3, 6 into 5. 6 is common. 6 into LCM of 2, 3, 5. LCM of the co-primes, it is always their product. 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 36 are 180. 36 are 180. Whenever you are struck, please use these concepts. This will help you to give the answer fast. LCM of 24 and 36. 12 2s are, 12 3s are, 12 common, 12 into 6. LCM is nothing but 72. LCM is nothing but 72. Numbers are co-prime, LCM is a product. Numbers are not co-prime. Take the co-prime out, take the factor common out. We will write down in bracket. Take the factor common out. Take the factor common out. And then use the co-prime concept. 1, 2, 3, 4 examples. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one, model number 5. Model number 5. Condensing of factors method. Condensing of factors method. All these will be useful as a fundamentals because work is constant. Constant is a fixed numerical value. Condensing of factors method. For example, LCM of 6 comma 9 comma 18 comma 18 comma 24. 6 comma 9 comma 18 comma 24. First pick for the largest number 24. What all factors are there for 24? 6 4s are 24. Eliminate the factors. I eliminated it. 9 is not a factor of 24. 18 is not a factor of 24. Go to the next number, 18. What are the factors of 18? 9 is a factor of 18. Eliminate it. That means this question is as equivalent to writing LCM of 18 comma 24. 18 is nothing but 6 into 3. 24 is 6 into 4. 6 is taken out. LCM of 3 and 4. It is 3 into 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 6 are 72. Answer is 72. Take the factors which are for a particular number. Next one, LCM of 20 comma 50 comma 100 comma 150. Listen carefully. LCM of 20 comma 50 comma 100 comma 150. Take the largest number. What are all the factors? 20 is not a factor. 50 it is not a factor. Next one, 100. What are the factors of 100? 20 it is. So 4 numbers can be condensed to LCM of 100 comma 150. So this will become LCM of 50 into 2 comma 50 into 3. 50 if I take common, 2 and 3 they are co-prime numbers. LCM of co-primes is their product. 50 into 6 it is 300. I hope the idea it is clear. 20 is a factor of 100, 20 removed. 50 is a factor of 150, so 50 it is removed. 50 also it is removed. Now see here. Next see LCM of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. LCM of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go to the highest number. What are the factors of 10? 1, 2, 5 and 10. Removed. 9. What are the factors of 9? 1, 3 and 9. 3, it is removed. What are the factors of 8? 8, it is nothing but 1, 2, 4, 8, it is removed. So 2 and 3 are removed, 6 will also be removed. It is nothing but LCM of 7, 8, 9 and 10. LCM of 7, 8, 9 and 10. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now if you see 7, 8, 9 and 10. 8 and 9, 10 are not co-prime. Make them co-prime. 2 into 4, 2 into 5. 2 common. 4 5s are 20. So these are nothing but 20. 2 20s are 40. These are nothing but LCM of 8 and 10. 7 comma 9 comma 40. 7 comma 9 comma 40. 7 and 9 co-prime to each other. Odd number. Odd number 63 and 40 both are not divisible. So LCM of 63 comma 40. Answer is nothing but 2520. Answer is nothing but 2520. It will be extremely useful, sir, whenever you are doing questions related to a larger numbers. It will be extremely useful. 100, 120, 600, 650. So take the largest number, 650, 100 no, 600, 100 6 are, 125 are. These are nothing but 600 comma 650. 600 comma 650. So these are nothing but 50 into 12 and 50 into 13. So 50 it is taken, make them co-prime. 12 into 13, 156. 12 into 13, 156. Idea it is clear, right? So 1 is largest number is a multiple of every other number. Largest number multiples are multiples of every other number. Numbers are co-prime to each other. Numbers are not co-prime to each other, and condensing of factors. It will be extremely useful for your time, speed and distance also. Next one. Note. Listen carefully. LCM of 9 comma 10, it is nothing but 90, because they both are consecutive, 9 into 10. LCM of 18 comma 24, 18 comma 24. Now listen carefully. 18, it is 6 into 3. 24, it is 6 into 4, which is 6 into 3 into 4. 12 6 are 72. 12 6 are 72. Listen carefully. If one number digital sum is 9, 18 also digital sum is 9. If one number digital sum is 9, LCM of any numbers, if one number digital sum is 9, answer digital sum will also be 9. If one number, please write down this point. If one number digital sum is 9, if one number digital sum is 9, if I call that number as A, LCM of A comma x1, x2, x3, any number, answer digital sum will be 9. If one number digital sum is 9, LCM of any numbers with that one number, answer digital sum will be 9. I hope the idea it is clear. If one number digital sum is 9, for example, let me take an example of LCM of 72 comma 90. If the options are 350, 360, 400 and 630. LCM of 72 comma 90. 72, what is the digital sum? 9. 9 with any number, answer digital sum should be 9. These, just by looking at it, it is eliminated. 360 and 630. LCM is least common multiple. Start with the least number. 360. 72 5s are 360, 94s are 360. I want the least number. Even though the digital sum is 9, 630 it is eliminated. 630 it is eliminated. I hope you got the idea. 18 comma 24 comma 40. 18 comma 24 comma 40. Now see here, let us check it out. 18 digital sum is 9. If one number digital sum is 9, LCM with any other number, answer digital sum should be 9. Answer digital sum should be 9. Let us see. These are nothing but 1824. So these 2 into 9 are, first we will take 1824, 6 into 3, 6 into 4, 6 is common. LCM of co-prime numbers, it is always their product. 12 6 are 72. So these 72, another is 40. Another is 40. So these are nothing but 8 into 9 and 8 into 5. LCM. So these are nothing but 8 is out. 9 into 5. 9 into 5. 9 into any number, digital sum will be 9 into any number, digital sum will be 9. This is an extremely important key point, sir. Very, very important key point. Once you understand this, it will help you a lot in your time and work and time, speed and distance questions. I hope it is clear. One number digital sum is 9. Answer digital sum will also be 9. Now, another important key point. Sir, just these of no use, but I will just tell you. LCM of 6 and 9. HCF of 6 and 9. 3 examples I will do it. LCM of 12, 15 and 20. HCF of 12, 15 and 20. Small difference between LCM and HCF. LCM of 20, 25. 20, 25 and 100. HCF of 20, 25 and 100. 20, 25 and 100. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. These are nothing but least common multiple. These are nothing but least common multiple. These are nothing but highest common factor. Highest common factor. What is the smallest difference? Multiple means take the largest number. Multiple, take the largest number. Factor means take the smallest number. Take the smallest number. I hope the idea it is clear. Take the largest. 9. Is it a multiple of 6? No. Take the next multiple. 18. Is 18 divisible by 6? Yes. So answer is 18. Answer is 18. Take the largest number. 20. Is it divisible by 12 and 15? No. Next multiple. 40. Is it divisible? No. Next multiple. 60. Is 60 divisible by 12 and 15? Yes. Answer is 60. 100. 100 divisible by 20. 100 divisible by 25. Answer is 100. In least common multiple, take the largest number. In least common multiple, take the largest number. In highest common factor, take the smallest number. Does 6 divide 9? No. Here I took the multiples. Here take the factor. What is the next highest factor of 6? 3. Does 3 divide 9? Yes. So answer is 3. Here you are taking the largest number and multiples. Here you are taking the smallest number and the factor. Are you all with me? Here largest number and multiple. Smallest number and factor. Smallest number 12. Does 12 divide every other number? No. What is the next highest factor? 6. Does 6 divide 15? No. Does 6? No. Next highest 3. Does 3 divide 15? Yes. Does 3 divide 20? No. Next it is 1. Next it is 2. Does 2 divide 15? No. So these are nothing but 1. 20, 25, 20, 100. Smallest number 20. Does 20, is 20 a factor of every other number? 20 is not a factor of 25. Next highest factor, it is nothing but 10. 10 is not a factor of 25. Next it is 5. 5 4s are 5 5s are 5 20s are. So 5. 5 will divide every other number. I hope you understood the difference between least common multiple and highest common factor in a simplest language. In least common multiple, take the largest number, take the multiples if required. In HCF, take the smallest number, take the factors if required. Least common multiple and highest common factor. I hope the idea it is clear. I hope the idea it is clear. Now why are we doing this LCM?